In December 2024, the U.S. Marine Corps' 4th Marine Regiment, 3rd Marine Division, completed its first open-water amphibious movement at Kushi Crossing, Okinawa, marking a key milestone for the Marine Corps' Amphibious Combat Vehicle, or ACV. This success represents a significant leap forward for the ACV program, which is designed to replace the aging Assault Amphibious Vehicle, AAV, that has been in service since 1972. The ACV program aims to modernize the Marine Corps' amphibious assault capabilities, offering improved protection, mobility, and firepower compared to its predecessor. The ACV is capable of carrying a 13-man infantry squad, with enhanced survivability and faster speeds on both land and water. It reaches speeds of up to 45 miles per hour on land and 8 to 10 knots in the water, ensuring greater operational flexibility. Developed by BAE Systems, the ACV has gone through rigorous testing and fielding, including deployments to Camp Pendleton in 2022 and Okinawa in 2024. This new amphibious platform promises to enhance the Marine Corps' ability to project power quickly and effectively in contested littoral zones, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region, where rapid maneuvering and crisis response are critical. The ACV family includes several variants to meet different operational needs, such as the ACV 1.1, ACV Command and Control, and ACV Recovery, with plans for a future ACV 30 variant equipped with a 30mm cannon. These vehicles are designed to support a range of missions, from amphibious assaults to urban combat, offering improved survivability and advanced communication capabilities. One of the most significant aspects of the recent operation at Kushi Crossing was its focus on validating various training areas and beach landing sites for ACV operations. This exercise demonstrated the vehicle's versatility in different conditions, including low tide, high tide, and low light scenarios, ensuring the ACV's readiness for a wide range of operational environments. The ACV has become a crucial asset for the 31st Marine Expeditionary Unit, or MEU, based in Okinawa. This rapid response force is capable of responding to emergencies ranging from humanitarian assistance to full-scale combat, and the addition of the ACV significantly enhances its amphibious capabilities. With tensions rising in the Indo-Pacific, the Marine Corps' ability to project force quickly from sea to shore is more important than ever. The ACV is not just an upgrade, it's a game-changer for the Marine Corps. As it continues to evolve, the vehicle's capabilities will ensure that Marines are equipped with the most advanced and effective tools for responding to future threats. With enhanced protection, mobility, and operational flexibility, the ACV is set to play a key role in the Marine Corps' ongoing mission to maintain a strong, responsive force capable of confronting any challenge in today's complex security environment. The success of the ACV program at Kushi Crossing marks the beginning of a new chapter in amphibious warfare, ensuring that the Marine Corps remains a formidable force in the Indo-Pacific and beyond. With its cutting-edge technology, the ACV is paving the way for the future of amphibious operations.